Hi, and welcome to Stay in the Loop. Connections are made to inform, inspire, and stay in the know. In our previous video, we learned a new but old strategy called standard algorithm. In this video, we are going to see the connection between the standard algorithm and the newfound strategy, partial product. Now, allow me to put on my focals, and let's begin. Our first problem is 426 times 17. I am going to solve the first step of standard algorithm by just looking at the ones place. So 6 times 7 is 42. Drop my digit in the ones place, regroup in the tens. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 4 is 18. Do some more regrouping. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 1 is 29. At this time, I want to go straight to the partial product strategy so that we can see how does this new way relate to the old way of doing multiplication. So I'm also going to rewrite, and you'll notice that when I was multiplying standard algorithm, I was not mentioning place value at all. However, for partial product, it is the expanded form of your top digits. So I begin with 6 times 7, which equals 42. Now I'm going to say 20 times 7. Standard algorithm, I just simply said 2 times 7 because that's just the shortcut. But we want students to understand the expanded form and what those values truly mean when multiplying using standard algorithm. And the last digit we have to multiply is 400 times 7, which equals 2,800. Since I'm done multiplying everything in the ones place, I'm now going to go ahead and add up these partial products. We will see that the partial products used in the partial product strategy is going to be the same as what we did when we were multiplying using standard algorithm. So here's a 2, an 8, a 9, and we drop that 2 in the thousands place. I'm now going to continue multiplying using the standard algorithm. So we are finished multiplying everything in the ones place, cross out those regroupings, and now I have my placeholder 0. Now I'm multiplying 6 times 1, which gives me 6. 2 times 1 gives me 2. 4 times 1 gives me 4. Okay? Just like that last step, I'm going to pause and see how does continuing using the partial product also represent this 4,260. I am now multiplying 6 times 10. 6 times 10 equals 60. 20 times 10 equals 200. And lastly, we have 400 times 10, which gives me 4,000. There we go. And now I'm going to simply add up that second set of partial products. So we have 4,000 plus 200 plus 60. That gives me a 0 in the ones place, a 6 in the tens place, a 2 in the hundreds, and we drop that digit in the thousands place. So the same exact answer as we see again right here. The last step is to simply add up the 2,982 plus the 4,260. And once I do all of that adding, I am left with 7,242. Same thing if I were to add 2,982 plus 4,260, I would also get the same exact product, 4,242. Now we come to our video where you have an opportunity to try that old versus that new way of solving multiplication problems. So at this time, go ahead and pause our video and work it out. I hope you had a great work session. Go ahead and compare your answers to the answers that you see on the screen. I hope your standard algorithm and your partial product look very similar to mine. I truly hope the connection was made. As always, please subscribe and share, and I'll see you at our next video. Bye.